Actually, today my topic is about graphical user interference applications using Java Swing API. I'm going to start my program. Input Java awt input java x swing dot hash input java dot having dot action listener input java about action event public class example public static main string array jframe frame equal to new frame student frame size 2400 frame set visible true frame dot set default close operation jframe extinct on close frame dot set layout new follow layout JLabel L1 equal to new JLabel student information system frame dot add 11 JLabel 12 new label name frame add 12 J text field T11 name frame add 12 J label 13 equal to new label gender J frame at 13 J radio button R1 equal to new J radio button frame add 1 J frame button R2 equal to new J radio button female frame dot add R2 J label 14 equal to new J label state frame add 14 string state equal to states Telangana AP TN Kerala Karnataka Delhi J combo list equal to new J box state frame add list J label L5 equal to new J label area of interest frame add 15 J checkbox equal to C1 equal to new checkbox oops J checkbox C2 equal to new checkbox DSA J checkbox C3 equal to new checkbox ML frame dot add C1 frame dot add C2 frame dot add C3 J button B equal to new button submit frame add B1 B1 dot add action listener new action listener public void action performer action event E string name equal to T1 get text string gender if R1 is selected open the function gender equal to R1 get text else if R2 is selected open function gender equal to R2 get text string state equal to list dot get selected to a string AOI equals to open bracket close if C1 is selected open function AOI plus equal to C1 get text if C2 is selected AOI equal to C2 of get text if C3 is selected AOI plus equal to C3 get text string output name is 2 plus name gender plus and state plus area of interest AOI option pan show message dialog box frame output now I'm going to run my program I'm running my code I'm going to give name as Snehitha, female, state Telangana, area in interest is oops, submit. And I got name as Snehitha, gender as female, state Telangana, area of interest oops. Now I'm going to show my next code. My second code, import java.awt, import javax swing, import java.awt event, action listener, import java.atv event, action event, public class example 10a, public static void main string, jframe, frame equal to new jframe, calculate, frame set size 2400, frame set size set visible true, frame dot set default closure operation, jframe exit on close, frame dot set layer new flow layout, j label l1 equal to new j, enter the number 1, frame dot add 11, j text field t1 equal to new j text field 12, frame dot add t1, j label l2 equal to new j label, enter the number 2, frame dot add 12, j text frame t2 equal to new j text 12, frame dot add t2, j button d1 equal to new j button add, frame dot add b1, j button b2 new j button subtract, frame dot add b2, j button b3 equal to new button multiplication, frame dot add new button division, frame dot add b4, b1 add action listener, new action listener, int a equal to integer phrase in t1 get text, in d2 integer frame t2 get text, int c equal to a plus b, j optional pan show message dialog frame, the sum is plus c. Close the function. Next, b2 dot add action listener, new action listener, public void action listener, action event e, open function, int a equal to integer dot frame in t1 text get text, int b2 integer frame int t2 get text, int c equal to a minus b, j option pan show message frame, the sum is c plus plus. B3 add action listener, new action listener, public void action performer action event e, int a equal to integer dot frame int t1 get set, int b integer frame int t2 get text, int c equal to a into b, j optional pan show dialog message frame, the multiplication is b4 add action listener, new action listener, public void function void action performer action event, int a equal to integer phrase int t1 get text, int b integer frame t2 get text, int c equal to a by b, j option pan show message dialog frame, the division is plus c. And now I'm going to execute my program. I am going to give number 6, 5. Add. The sum is 12. Okay. By this, I successfully completed my 2 programs.